हमें ऐसा लगता है that
किससे
you know
ऊपर
शक्ल
से?
में क्या रखा है, you know it's the inner beauty which matters and it's the but reality में
Real
ऐसा
world में
होता
ऐसा
नहीं है. It is very easy to say that you know nobody cares about looks, but who wants to marry a person who does not look good?
She also shares what really happened on Shark Tank, and it's not pretty. This is Avatar Skins founder Soumya.
Not so good looking people even date worthy. So there is a real problem that we are solving. You know, lot of times we feel कि अपने प्रोडक्ट को बिल्कुल बेस्ट नहीं दिखाएंगे या उसकी सच्चाई बता देंगे तो वो शायद हमें नहीं परचेज करेंगे, पर ऐसा होता नहीं है.
Least favorite shark and why?
Piyush.
Okay.
I think he schooled me unnecessarily. I think उनको अपने को great दिखाना था तो वो कर दिया. You know, after the episode aired, there was bigger army of women who were reaching out to me on LinkedIn. So proud to see a strong women. जब when they were raising questions on my business, I had very good responses to all of them. Then they started attacking me on my character and personality.
What is your current in terms of acquisition channel of customers?
80% is to meta ads and 20% is word of mouth. Aman has been a great mentor. You know, we keep meeting in the events and everything. And every time we meet, Aman is like, "उस दिन तो आप कितना रोए," and then you know we laugh over that.
Do you think कि ये problem बढ़ने वाली है या people will eventually start accepting the fact कि हम ऐसे दिख रहे हैं? ठीक है. आपने अब कितनी देर where do you live वैसे?
चाणक्यपुरी, दिल्ली.
तो बहुत टाइम लगाने में या नहीं?
मैं ऑफिस से आ रही हूँ ओखला से.
अच्छा, office
वन
से
आवर
ओखला. 15
minute ish.
अच्छा, ठीक है. नॉट बैड.
Yeah, not bad at all.
Thankfully आज बारिश नहीं हो रही, so
It was easy.
Yeah, cool. Nice, yeah. Thank you so much for coming to Made to Market podcast. I'm really excited to have you, and because as many others, I discovered you on Shark Tank because I've been an avid Shark Tank viewer, right? But obviously आप इतने podcast में जा चुके हो, and I want to understand आपसे कि क्या चीज अभी तक नहीं पूछी है जो मैं पूछूं. पहले वो आप ये
I think मैं जितने first of all thanks for having me here on it. Very excited to be a very cozy studio, and I think I also saw your work. You guys are doing a great job. Yeah, like you said कि Shark Tank के बाद you know, especially because my particular episode was very dramatic, I got to go in a lot of podcasts and share my story.
Yeah.
I think हर जगह हमने business building की बहुत बात की है. In the sense that you know hire कैसे किया, product कैसे बनाया, and then how did the business scale, challenges क्या होते हैं. I think we never spoke about brand. I think this is the very first time that you know we'll be talking about avatars, marketing, branding, हमारा you know intangible strengths जो हमने build किए हैं वो क्या है. So I think those are the things that I never got an opportunity to talk about.
Yeah, so उसको obviously we'll discuss that in detail because that is something I'm excited about. But you know, so what I found is I am Bangalore graduate, right?
Yes.
Manager at Bain and Company.
Yes.
Again, right? National level pistol shooter.
Yeah.
ठीक है. And stand up and mimicry during your college days and Shark Tank and then founder.
Yeah.
Right? Crazy. मतलब पहले I just want to
आपने बहुत important चीज में and a mom also.
Yeah. So definitely I missed that.
Yeah.
My mistake. Definitely. And a mom also. So crazy kind of CV जिसे कहते हैं, right?
Yeah.
So just tell me about like your experience from graduation and how you shaped up into today what you are, you know,
Right.
mom.
Yeah.
Right? So how has that been, and you know, just why did you decide to start the brand and what made it exciting for you, and yeah, just that, and I would love to go through the story.
Yeah, I think I've gone through the phase that when you are young, you know, ऐसा नहीं होता कि आप जब फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड में होते हो तो आपको एस्ट्रोनॉट बनना होता है, फिर 2 साल बाद आपको टीचर बनना होता है, फिर 4 साल बाद आपको पुलिसमैन बनना होता है, and then that ambition keeps changing, and then I think it kind of stabilizes once you are more mature, once you start under like you know आपको 11वीं 12वीं क्लास में you have a much clearer understanding of this is what I want to do.
Yeah.
I think with me that has always changed,
Yeah.
not because I got bored, but I stumbled upon things by chance where I realized, oh, this is something that, this is what's made for me, और मेरे को तो यही करना है. And then until I land on the next milestone where I realized कि no, actually इससे भी इससे मुझे ज़्यादा kick आता है. So I grew up in Bhopal. I come from a middle class family. I come from a service class background. हमारे यहाँ दूर दूर तक किसी ने business नहीं किया है. So I'm also the only child of my parents. So it was always like कि बेटा आपको बड़े होके if you have to be independent and if you have to do great things in life, you'll have to study hard, you'll have to land a very good job. And then उसमें मेरे पेरेंट्स में बड़ा डिबेट चल रहा होता था कि सौम्या को हमें सिविल सर्वेंट बनाना है, या सौम्या को हमें डॉक्टर बनाना है, या सौम्या को हमें प्राइवेट सेक्टर बनाना है ना. आउट ऑफ ऑल दोज डिबेट्स बेसिकली आई वाज अ वेरी गुड मैथ स्टूडेंट. आई सेड दैट मेरे को मैथ्स पढ़ना है, साइंस मुझे अच्छा लगता है, आई हैव इंटरेस्ट इन दैट. एंड देन in our country, in Bhopal, in those times, if you are liking maths and science, the main option for you becomes IIT JEE. तो IIT में पढ़ने का बहुत मन था. उस हिसाब से I prepared very hard in my plus 2. Could not make it, but landed in NIT Bhopal. So जो उस time IIT और AIEEE होता था, so I could get into, like after IIT जो first institute of choice था, वहाँ पे मैं चली गई. Till then, pistol shooting used to be a hobby for me. My dadaji was in police, so my dad had some weapons. उसको हम practice करने जाते थे. And then the year when I entered my undergrad in NIT Bhopal, and now when I look in the hindsight, ऐसा लगता है सब बड़ा distinct था. उसी साल भोपाल में एक international level shooting academy open हुई.
अच्छा.
And then I applied for it. I went for the trials. मुझे अभी भी याद है कि महू में उसके बॉर्डर सिक्योरिटी फोर्स की एक रेंज थी, उसमें ट्रायल्स हुए थे. माय मॉम टुक मी देयर. इट वाज अ 6-7 hours ड्राइव फ्रॉम भोपाल. एंड देन आई गॉट इनटू द एकेडमी. एंड देन वहाँ पे along with college, सो मैं हमारी 4 बजे छुट्टी हो जाती थी मैनेट में. एंड देन आफ्टर 4 to 8 आई यूज्ड टू गो टू द एकेडमी टू प्रैक्टिस शूटिंग. And then because I was very very familiar with guns, from the age of 6 or 7. Bhopal में there used to be a small club. It used to उसको भोपाल राइफल क्लब बोलते थे. So I picked up shooting very well. And then state में गोल्ड मेडल आया, फिर नेशनल्स में हुआ. So ऐसे करके that shooting career started to build in parallel to engineering.
Got it.
My dad always had a dream that Soumya becomes famous, and Soumya goes to Olympics and get medals and comes on Milo ka ad and Bonvita ka ad. But my mother was more realistic. She said that the stardom is a 1 in a million kind of bet. I cannot. We have only one child. She has her own life, her whole life in front of her. So my mother's push towards academics education was very strong. So my father was pushing me into sports, my mother was pushing me into academics, and dono mila jula ke I did my engineering. I landed a job in Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, again in Bhopal, and then I started to prepare for civil services, which was also my that had become my next area of interest by then. But then everybody around me was writing CAT, so I also wrote CAT. I got the first year I wrote CAT, I got an interview call from IIM Kozhikode.
Okay.
IIM Kozhikode has a bias for 10th standard, 12th standard marks, and thanks to my mom, both of I was very good in academics. So I got a call, and then I realized, this seems to be much easier than cracking UPSC. So next year I studied. I did not make it to IIM Kozhikode. I did not convert my interview offer. But then next year I actually prepared and then landed in IIM Bangalore. When I entered IIM Bangalore, then and I went to IIM Bangalore on study leave from BHL, because for me then MBA was a backup option for civil services. कि अगर civil services नहीं crack हुआ तो चलो बैकअप में कुछ एक फिर भी एक अच्छा वो रहेगा. एंड द सेकंड थिंग वाज आईआईटी क्रैक नहीं हुआ था, तो बैक ऑफ द माइंड पूरी फैमिली के उसमें था दैट आई गेट टू स्टडी इन अ one of the top institutes in the country. But then 1 year into IIM, and now everybody around was जैसे ही आप MBA में घुसते साथ ही समर इंटर्न कहाँ लगेगा वो होता है. And then I got introduced to this concept of management consulting firms, which I had no clue about when I was growing up in Bhopal. कि ये McKinsey, Bain, BCG, ये MBB firms होती हैं, जिसमें अगर आपका selection हो जाए तो like you know you become like the most flashy person on campus. बड़े coveted jobs होते थे. In my dad's term, वो मेरे पापा जैसे बोलते हैं ये private sector का IAS है.
अच्छा.
So I now there also I studied in NIT Bhopal. I was not the smartest, so I was not really expecting a shortlist. But एक senior ने मुझे कहा कि you know because of my shooting achievements, I was also general secretary in college and मैंने aero modeling में भी काफी कुछ किया था. She said you might get a shortlist, so you start preparing. नहीं आएगी तो आप marketing interviews देना.
ठीक है.
And I got a shortlist. I got through Bain. I interned with Bain, and then the life that I saw, you know, in those 2 months of Bain internship, we were working with one of the top FMCG companies in India, telling them that, you know, they had a lot of manufacturing plants in different parts of the country. So which plant should be kept and which should be shut, which should be kept. And I got an opportunity to present that to head of strategy for that company. I was 24 years old then, and that felt like the biggest thing ever. It also felt like, you know, the kind of like that particular initiative was saving that company hundreds of crores of rupees on annual basis, and like over 10-year, you know, horizon, it was even bigger. So I felt that this is so impactful and this is what I like. Now, I don't want to go to some district and become a DM. So that time I was like, मेरे को नहीं अब UPSC करना, I don't want to go back. I resigned from BHL right after internship. I was also lucky enough to get a full-time offer from Bain. And then I was looking forward to joining Bain. And when I joined Bain after my MBA, I also... maybe I do this only. So, क्या repeat करना पड़ेगा?
एक दो लाइन पीछे से लेनी पड़ेगी, बहुत रखनी है.
ठीक है.
हाँ. कोई नहीं वो तो.
Okay. So
you got in Bain.
I got in Bain, and then at that point in time, my idea was I'm going to retire from Bain. It's such a nice place. Both my parents work for the government, तो हमारे यहाँ तो ऐसे एक नौकरी में घुसे, वहाँ पे 40 साल काम किया, वहीं से
वो
retire
ऐसे एम्प्लॉइज होते हैं कहाँ हैं? अब तो मेरे को कहीं नहीं दिखता ऐसा.
अब नहीं दिखते. पर मुझे बहुत मजा आ रही थी Bain में. So 5.5 years I worked at Bain, did very good roles, got to work with very good people, smartest people. All my mentors are from that organization. I think I grew, like I groomed as a professional, as an individual, as a personality, all thanks to Bain. And then I came across another opportunity from Heidrick & Struggles, so Heidrick is a NASDAQ listed executive search firm. So they do very, very fancy CEO mandates. Jaise, you know, Satya Nadella in Microsoft has been placed by Heidrick. So they were setting up their consulting operations in India, not the search business, but the consulting business. And they wanted somebody to lead it. And that was something at that point in time, I thought that this is going to be very, very different from what I do, because it was about setting up you know, everything from scratch. That was honestly my first, what should you say, like dating with entrepreneurship. So it was not entrepreneurship, like, you know, it was not a startup, but it was a startup within a very large brand.
Yeah. So but you had to take something from scratch to build
to business. So, you know, the playbook was similar to, you know, what I did when I built Avatar. Okay, figure out what the market is, how big it is, what are the top accounts to reach out to, how to find the right people, how to hire them, set up the office, reach out to clients, pitch, keep pitching, convert into pitches into projects, deliver the projects, you know, get repeat revenue from the same accounts.
Right.
So that was a journey of a year and a half, which was again very, very fulfilling. And at that point in time, I thought that this is something that I like. I like to build things from scratch and then see them grow, see them generate revenue.
Right.
It was also 2021 when, you know, there was this big startup wave that emerged in India. There was so much capital flowing in. So many, India became the third largest country in terms of number of unicorns. So many
Right.
startups became unicorns. So
Right.
and I had the confidence of doing something of my own from my Hydric days, and then I kind of decided that yes, I've built Hydric to a certain extent, but now I want to build a startup from scratch, which is
Scratch.
not under another umbrella of brands. It's an own entity.
Yeah.
And that's when I told my boss Marcus in Hydric that this is what I want to do. And then I took a 6 months transition period where I was transitioning out from Hydric, and I was also thinking about what is it that I'll do.
Yeah.
And then I started to figure out where is the space in the market. Skincare is something that was always very close to me because I had my own struggles with acne. मैंने बैंगलोर की कोई क्लिनिक नहीं है जो मैंने छोड़ी नहीं होगी. भोपाल की कोई क्लिनिक नहीं है जो मैंने छोड़ी नहीं होगी. Post pregnancy also I had certain issues. So like I was a very loyal consumer of laser treatments, aesthetic treatments, because like every session resulted in some tangible impact.
Yeah.
But like the journey or the process was very, very painful. It was expensive. You have to go to the clinics. You have to wait. The market is unorganized. There's no rate card. वो जो counselor आपको बोल रहे हैं, आपको समझ में नहीं आता कि what they're trying to sell you, is it really required or not? You're not able to trust the doctor because doctors are running their clinics and then वो ये भी ले लो, ये भी ले लो.
Yeah.
So I saw that big opportunity in terms of adding real value to the segment. I also knew that it's a very, very under-penetrated service in the country. So ये services जो हैं वेस्ट में बहुत पॉपुलर हैं, इंडिया में लोगों को पता ही नहीं है इनके बारे में, क्योंकि कोई बहुत ज्यादा एजुकेशन कर नहीं रहा है. अगर आप इफ यू वांट टू नो अबाउट लेजर हेयर रिडक्शन in 2023 when I had started out, the only options that you had was that you would go to a dermatologist and the dermatologist will introduce it to you. इतना कंटेंट नहीं था, इतनी अवेयरनेस नहीं थी.
तो उसमें होता क्या क्या है in terms of एक typical laser skincare या what exactly happens? मतलब because
Basically,
I am genuinely not aware.
Yeah.
Maybe as a guy also, because
Yeah.
maybe mostly women are more
yeah.
comparatively more aware.
Yes.
So want to understand क्या होता है for in
So
general.
basically, aesthetics is medical treatments to look good. Now
Okay.
it includes everything head to toe. आपके सिर में बाल नहीं उग रहे हैं तो बाल कैसे होगा?
बाल कैसे
Face
उगेगा?
में there is pigmentation, acne, signs of aging have started to show up.
ठीक है.
The skin doesn't glow enough. All of that. Then you come further down. So, the shape of the body.
अच्छा.
I am too bulky in weight. Then there are things like, I don't want body hair. Every woman is going to salons every month to get wax.
wax
It's a waste
और
of money, time. It's
बिल्कुल.
painful.
हाँ.
So there are procedures which can help you get rid of all your body hair
Got it.
permanently.
हाँ,
So
ठीक
it's
है.
things like those.
Okay. So I'm assuming कि when post that, what gap did you see? Because you were obviously, you said कि Bangalore में बहुत skincare के ये सब
Yeah.
क्या, फिर क्या gap दिखने लगा from customer point of view that you thought कि यार this is something needs to solve, and then how did you decide कि मैं इसको differently कैसे solve करती हूँ?
बहुत सारे गैप्स है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई थिंक इंडिया में जो ट्रीटमेंट्स हैं वो वर्क करते हैं, ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं करते हैं. बट व्हेन आई compare these treatments with the treatments which are available in South Korea and Turkey and the US, or for that matter even China,
हाँ.
it's a world of a difference. क्यों?
अच्छा.
क्योंकि ये सारे treatments डिवाइसेस से होते हैं,
Hmm.
एंड ये डिवाइसेस डॉक्टर्स नहीं पिक करते हैं. बेसिकली ये डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स होते हैं. तो जो सामान मेच्योर मार्केट्स में बिकना बंद हो जाता है,
ठीक है.
वो चाइना जो है इंडिया में डंप कर देता है. तो वो डिवाइस आते हैं, वही डिवाइस को डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर डर्मैट के पास लेके जाते हैं. उनके पास जो ऑप्शन होते हैं वो खरीद लेते हैं, बिकॉज एट द एंड ऑफ द डे दे आर रनिंग स्मॉल क्लिनिक्स, राइट? दे आर
Fair.
नॉट इंपोर्टिंग स्टफ from so one, the just in terms of devices, their efficiency, their certifications, क्या possible है achieve करना. Like for example, we are able to provide excellent hair reduction results in just 6 sessions.
Okay,
वो
ठीक है.
होता ही नहीं है. या अगर वो डिवाइसेस हैं तो वो डिवाइसेस इतने महंगे हैं जो डर्मैट्स के पास, वो कुछ ही 5-6 dermats. That was one.
ठीक है.
Second thing that I saw was there are only 12,000 practicing dermats in the country.
Okay.
That is the reason these services are so under penetrated.
Okay.
इतनी
ठीक
बड़ी
है.
पॉपुलेशन 140 करोड़ लोगों के लिए अगर 12,000 dermats हैं,
हाँ.
तो वो obviously it's a supply demand. Obviously वो overcharge करेंगे.
Right.
And then dermats are running these clinics which are able to cater, let's say 2-3 kilometer of radius around them. And now since the dermats have a choice, क्योंकि वो कम है, they price their services very, very expensive. So then we figured out, is there a way to make a more scalable model ताकि हम सबको access दे सके, for cosmetology services. So, can we, open up the market of one dermat to, let's say, 1 lakh people. जो अभी one dermat as to, it's like not even few hundreds today. So we saw that scaling opportunity.
Right.
The third thing that we saw was that, it says, I won't say like there are, of course, every industry has exceptions, but most of these clinics are running a business of playing on the insecurities of the people and using those insecurities to sell anything and everything at any price. So अगर आप, लुई विटॉन का बैग लेके आए हो एंड आपके पास iPhone 16 है, तो आपको वही ट्रीटमेंट का जो सामने जो आपको बता रहा है, उसी ट्रीटमेंट का 10x प्राइस बताएगा. अगर आप गंदे से कपड़े पहन के आओ, आप गरीब दिख रहे हो, तो आपको वही ट्रीटमेंट आधे प्राइस पे मिल जाएगा. एंड क्लाइंट को कोई आइडिया नहीं है कि मुझे होगा क्या इससे. एक्सपेक्टेशन सेटिंग का बहुत प्रॉब्लम
है. ठीक है.
सो देन आई सॉ एन अपॉर्चुनिटी कि ये सारा कुछ ट्रांसपेरेंट किया जा सकता है कि आप बताओ अगर आपको एक्ने है, तो एक्ने सॉल्व करने के ये 2 ही 3 एस्थेटिक तरीके हैं जो आपको, जिसमें स्टेप 1 ये होता है, स्टेप 2 ये होता है, स्टेप 3 ये होता है, स्टेप 4 होता है. आप कोई भी हो, आप you are the richest person in India, maybe you are a college going student जिनके who doesn't have deep pockets, सबके लिए एक ही रेट है. ऐप पे देखो, अपना बुक करो, डॉक्टर से कंसल्ट कराना है, डॉक्टर से कंसल्ट करो. We have also developed an AI engine कि आप अपनी फोटो लो, वही डिटेक्ट कर लेगा कि आपको ये प्रॉब्लम है, वही आपको बता देगा this is the treatment. And just before your treatment you'll do a call with a dermat and आपका prescription हो जाएगा.
Got it.
So we've made this entire experience, and then we provide all these services at home. So we have cut through the entire set of pain points through this journey. सबसे बड़ा pain point होता है रिजल्ट नहीं आ रहा, वो हमने जो world best हो रहा है that we have brought in India.
ठीक है.
Second होता है कि who is the, मेरे एरिया में अच्छा डर्मेट नहीं है. So most of our dermatologists are all dermatologists from AIIMS, dermatologists from Safdarjung.
So quality of machines as well as
the dermats.
This is one solve
that is one solve. Second is the transparency.
Okay.
That you pick what you want. इससे ये होगा, इससे ज़्यादा नहीं होगा. इतने सेशन लगेंगे. That's the second thing.
Second thing हो गया. ठीक है.
Third thing that we solved for is that because we're building for scale, we made everything very affordable. So today we have made our products, our services are at 20 to 30% lower price than any average clinic.
ठीक है.
And then we have also very nicely crafted financing options.
ठीक है.
तो अगर मान लीजिए आप, because 20-25,000 rupee का भी treatment is like nobody has got that much amount in their bank to invest in beauty. तो उसका भी we have created fintech partnerships कि वो आपको लोन दे देंगे, आप अपना 1 साल में आराम से चुकाते रहना. तो आप जो सालों में एक्सपेंडिचर कर रहे हो, उसी एक्सपेंडिचर में आप clinical grade treatments ले सकते हो, which actually work.
Got it.
And then the fourth thing that we did was, because I am a mom, I'm a working woman, मुझे पता है लोगों working women का pain. We have made everything at home. तो आपको घर से निकलना ही नहीं है and आपका सब कुछ घर पे हो जाएगा.
ठीक है. तो you provide this service completely at home, unlike पिछली बार पहले की तरह जैसे स्किन केयर के लिए जाना पड़ता है या उनके लिए कहीं नहीं जाना. You'll come at home and do all the treatment. So
dermat consultation भी घर पे होगा. Everything is at home.
Everything. Okay. Very interesting. Very nice. So ठीक है. So now my understanding is कि so you're serving across India या अभी कहाँ?
Yeah, we are in 18 cities now.
Okay, wow, lovely. So, like how in terms of, I'm sure the product you figured out कि आप किस तरह distribution के लिए रखते होगे. Is it, so it's like a hybrid mix of online and offline. So, जब offline कोई treatment के लिए जा रहा है, the kind of machines they're using and everything, how do you keep that in check for the customer?
Yeah, so there are a lot of things. So we use tech very extensively.
ठीक है.
So right from the point when the therapist is leaving from a dark store with the machine,
हाँ.
all the way to when they have arrived at the client's place, to उनने step 1 क्या किया, उनने कितनी frequency पे machine use की है, कितनी intensity, क्या pulse width, step number 1 कितने minutes हुआ है, कितने second हुआ है,
ठीक है.
client का before pictures, after pictures, all of that is getting tracked real time using artificial intelligence.
अच्छा.
जहाँ पे भी they are deviating from the protocol, वो एक flag generate हो जाता है, they get a call from our training team कि आपने ऐसे क्यों किया है.
अच्छा.
So it is, and then it
तो-
is, and the clients can also access it. So anytime the client says कि because see again we are building it for scale, right? So
हाँ.
हम हर दिन हजारों appointments कर रहे हैं
हाँ.
18 शहरों में,
बिल्कुल.
and it's a services business, right? Services business are very very questionable कि आपकी therapist जो है 1 घंटे में करके चली गई तो मेरे को इसका compensatory session दो.
तो
But
and plus
because we are-
services business especially जो थोड़ा हार्डवेयर या ऑफलाइन के साथ इंटीग्रेशन है,
Correct.
that is very difficult to scale also.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So that's why we are tracking, like there is a second to second tracking of what is happening at a client's place, and
ठीक है.
thanks to AI now that has become very easy.
Easier.
So they are clicking picture, the therapist clicks picture, AI detects कि हाँ ये सही हुआ है, check, move to the next step. They click a picture, they move to the next step.
So
and-
आपकी कॉस्ट ज्यादा टेक टीम पे ज्यादा लगती है या प्रोडक्ट टीम पे ज्यादा लगती है? Like do you have resources allocated for tech team more or for like the hardware and the therapist and all of them more?
No, so no, so tech team recurring costs is not that much. So we have a team of about 7-8 engineers with a person managing them. They keep building because it's not an ongoing thing, right? Like आपका ongoing bill, of course, AWS का bill आता है, Google का bill आता है, but that's not the bulk of the cost. Once you have made the system, then the recurring cost of it is
अच्छा.
on that, and their current team अब वो उसमें innovation होता रहता है as we are scaling कि अब ये भी track करना है, ये भी
ठीक
करना
है.
है. So they keep building features after features on the product.
Right.
But the bulk of the cost is the cost of doing the treatment, right?
Got it.
Like you know, there is conveyance involved, there's a therapist
Got it.
involved, there are
हाँ,
machines involved, उनका maintenance है.
Got it. तो okay nice. So ये बड़ी interesting है. Is ऐसा कुछ बाहर है or did you
No. We are one of a kind,
One of a kind.
business. So you know, 2 very well funded startups also started to do lasers at home. They were doing only hair reduction at home, but it did not work out.
Okay.
See, because in this space results are paramount. अगर आप result नहीं दे रहे हो client को, especially when you are you know charging them आपका 25-30,000 rupee, 40,000, 50,000 rupee का service है, so then the client wants tangible results, and if you're not able to give to them, वो work नहीं करता है. Now it is in our case, it's not कि कहीं से portable machine figure out कर लिया और घर पे कर लिया.
ठीक है.
We have invested a lot in design thinking of how do we ensure कि ये जो portable machines हैं, इनके specifications जो बड़े like the best in the world machines हैं, उनसे आप कैसे match कराओगे? So that's why our results are much better, and that's how we've been. So we also started with 4 set of services. Now we are able to do the full length of treatments at home. We are now doing glutathione IV drips at home.
अच्छा.
We are doing PRP treatments at home. So earlier we were sending only
mostly what kind of customers, like आपकी TG क्या आई है? I'm sure जब हमने start किया होगा एक assumption होगी, but then you pivot a bit and you figure out. So what kind of target audience has you come? Because कितने लोग actually, because maximum people I know skincare means कि product use कर लिए or something like that, right?
Yeah.
So लेकिन the service that you're providing, right? Traditionally, obviously, the celebrities who had to be in front of camera and all of them, they were obviously concerned about all of these things. What has your target audience come about? Who are the customers who are ready to pay as well, and they are interested in your service?
There is a wide range.
Okay.
I mean, like to, you know, long answer short, the people who we like to target are women between 25 to 45 years of age with, you know, annual household income above 6 lakhs.
ठीक है.
But we are catering to the most affluent areas of Bombay, Delhi, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad. to not so to girls and women who are working for call center at a 25,000-30,000 rupee salaries.
Okay.
So that way it's a it feels like कि ये कौन लेजर तो बड़े हाई फाई लोग ही कराते होंगे.
मतलब वही मैं कह रहा हूँ क्योंकि annual income of 6 lakhs you
Yeah,
said, right?
yeah.
So annual income of 6 lakhs तो बहुत कम हुआ.
Household income, not
हाँ.
even saying women's income. I'll tell you why.
तो
because
हाँ.
because the way not looking good enough impacts you is so deep that you wouldn't know. So we don't acquire customers saying कि हम आपका laser करेंगे. We acquire customers saying you have an acne problem or you have a hair fall problem or you have a obesity problem and we'll solve it. And then in the process we explain to them कि ये this is the way we do it and how this is the most effective way. अब आप एक आप if you look at like a life cycle of women, हर milestone पे अपनी छाप विजिबल छाप छोड़ के जाता है. आप टीनेजर हो तो एक्ने होएगा. उसके बाद as you start working आपका थोड़ा भी डाइट इधर उधर हुआ, you will start putting on weight. आपकी sexual life active होती है, then again you start putting on weight. Then you and then 30 plus Indian women, thanks to our weather, pigmentation होता ही होता है. Pregnancy driven pigmentation is very common. Hereditary pigmentation is very common. Then post pregnancy again your body is now shapeless. Your hair has started to fall. You are again with pigmentation. फिर उसके बाद 5 साल और बाद आपके signs of aging दिखने लगते हैं कि you don't look as young as anymore. आपको 11-12 में पढ़ रहे स्टूडेंट्स आपको आंटी बोलने लगते हैं. यू डोंट लाइक इट. सो एंड ये तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि ये तो इन जनरल होता है. अब आप उसमें देखो, अगर आप ऐसे स्टेजेस पे हो दैट यू आर फॉर एग्जांपल यू आर फीलिंग अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट बिकॉज आपके कॉलेज में आपके आसपास बड़ी hot chick type ladkiyan hai, and then you don't look as good. Your confidence gets defeated on every single day. You're trying to apply for a job, you want to look your best, you're not, unfortunately, because of your face, your body, your hair, you're not able to.
Right.
Men who are trying to get married, like men balding in in mid to late 20s has become very common. Unko baal chahiye, otherwise women who are trying to get married, any facial issue or too much weight. So all of these problems are real. It's not हमें ऐसा लगता है that शक्ल में क्या रखा है, it's the inner beauty which matters and it's the but reality में ऐसा होता नहीं है. Like आपने मेरे इतने सारे कॉलेज भेजे मुझे मेरी छोटी हाइट का इतना कॉम्प्लेक्स. आप देखो मैं कितनी बड़ी हील पहन के घूमती हूँ. आई लाइक पीपल हैव नेवर सीन मी विदाउट अ हील बिकॉज आई हैव दैट कॉम्प्लेक्स. मेरे को कॉन्फिडेंस आता है अगर मैं लंबी दिखती हूँ. सो कुछ लोगों को बेस्ड ऑन द वे दे लुक उनको कॉन्फिडेंस आता है उससे, एंड देन दे are ready to invest to get that confidence.
So you are right. That's a very very interesting point. लेकिन इसमें क्या होता है कि see ये issues ऐसा नहीं है कि we guys are or at least you guys have identified पहली बार कि confidence issues है. ये बहुत सालों से है. So लेकिन उसकी when we talk about how you market to people and how तो एक कुछ ब्रांड्स हैं वो ये भी कहते हैं कि हम आपको गोरा कर देंगे, राइट, टू प्ले ऑन कॉन्फिडेंस एंड वर्स थिंग्स भी बोलते हैं ब्रांड्स, राइट. व्हाट in terms of communicating with your customers or a potential customers or the community, what are few essence of things of communication that you have kept as guidelines, या कि ये जो स्तंभ हैं इनके बेसिस पे हम मार्केट करेंगे या बात करेंगे customers से?
So we do a lot of science based content and results based content. अब आप जो ब्रांड्स की बात कर रहे हो या फॉर दैट मैटर एनी स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट्स कंपनी, उससे कुछ नहीं होता है. इट कैन नॉट ट्रांसफॉर्म योर स्किन, बट द काइंड ऑफ ट्रीटमेंट्स दैट वी डू, देयर इज अ वेरी वेरी विजिबल बिफोर आफ्टर, जो हमने अब इतने सक्सेस स्टोरीज क्रिएट कर दिए कि हमारे पास वो इतना डेटा है जस्ट टू शो कि किस तरह के रिजल्ट्स आप एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो, एंड दोज इटसेल्फ आर वेरी कंपेलिंग. एंड देन द सेकंड थिंग दैट वी try to communicate is how this is science backed. कि if you're saying कि आपका pigmentation हम कम कर देंगे, क्यों होगा? Q switch laser क्या करता है? It goes into your skin, it penetrates to your skin, वो melanocytes को kill करता है. melanocytes melanin produce करते हैं, वो melanin अगर जाएगा तो आपका pigmentation जाएगा. So when you back your stuff with science instead of saying कि हमने बहुत रिसर्च करके प्रोडक्ट बनाया और ये वो तो बहुत ही वो आजकल का the consumer is very very aware. So you need to break down things is to the very core of what is driving the results, what is it that they are getting, what
Yeah.
is the value that you're bringing to the table, and
Yeah.
that's what most of our ads content talk about.
Content talks about. So you're saying science-backed, educational kind of content.
Correct.
And the results-based,
Yes.
right? Kind of, I would say, testimonial or result case study stories, showcasing कि ये करके दिखाया हमने,
Correct. Correct.
kind of a thing. So, uh, so there are 2-3 elements to this. एक तो हो गया कि stories जो आपने किया, results या customers के through, I'm sure testimonials होंगे, like we had this, we did this. One is that direction. And second direction you're saying जो आपके brand point of view से है, is about education, right?
Correct.
So anyone trying to communicate, there are two elements. One is the customers, the other is scientific educational, in so that the customer knows कि भाई ये है और हम ये करके दिखाया. That kind of honest
Yes.
communication and telling कि ये हो सकता है, right? But I also feel कि इतने स्किन केयर के वो है, maybe not as creative कि वो घर पे दे रहे हैं, but there are brands जो सालों से हैं स्किन केयर में, people trust them, hair loss and all the things that you mentioned, उन सब के लिए उनकी भी कम्युनिकेशन काफी सिमिलर रही है, मतलब over the years they have shown before after, right? Is there a specific thing or something that you have learned in terms of marketing that was a surprise to you कि यार ये चीज चल रही है और इस पे डबल डाउन करना चाहिए?
So हम लोग ना, what we do is we show in most of our communication, we show कि exactly उसमें क्या होगा. So we show the footages of the procedure.
अच्छा.
So the legacy brands who've been there in the space, वो बोलते हैं laser hair reduction, X session,
हाँ.
get body free, smooth skin, ये वो एक तो हम static करते ही नहीं है. We do only videos. And then we show कि laser hair reduction में first your hair is shaved, then the frequency is set, and then the laser light goes, and then after one session this is what you get, after 2 sessions this is how it happens. So we bring the entire process up visually for the customer, so that they can almost imagine themselves कि ये मेरी body में हो रहा है तो मुझे ये कैसा लग रहा है. And जब वो कहते हैं vicariously, कहते हैं ना कि उसको experience करते हैं,
Yeah.
तो उनका मन भी करता है कि मैं अब मुझे ये चाहिए, मुझे भी experience करना है.
Got it. अच्छा.
So I think that is up now because now Avatar has also become a mainstream brand. It's no more a very chotu company. So now we have a lot of people who are also copying us in our content.
Haan,
but
of course.
that's what worked for us. That's what brought our CAC very low.
Got it. And so that is basically जो कहते हैं behind the scenes kind of storytelling. You brought it in front, right?
Yes.
कि this is the entire process. ये होगा आपके साथ, ऐसे है. This is the science behind it, and this is the result.
Correct.
So tying all of the three together as something that has worked
Yes.
for you guys to build trust across the funnels and everything. So what is your current in terms of acquisition channel of customers? Is it because आपका obviously dark stores है इसके through and consultation के through है, is it just primarily meta and meta ads के through ही होता है currently, or is there something else also?
It's all meta ads.
That's all meta
It's
ads.
मतलब like 80% is to meta ads and 20% is word of mouth.
Word of mouth. Acha, okay. So how has been the experience on Meta throughout? Matlab, because everyone is obviously advertising on Meta. Performance wise, it's the biggest platforms that is helping building brands like no one else, right? Obviously, it is giving the media space to all of the people. Though, how does your actual funnel in terms of customer look like? Is it like किसी ने आपकी ad देखी? Do they just inquire and like or do you show, are there multiple stages of funnels कि एक बार awareness का होता है, maybe then they inquire, then you send some content, कैसे है?
So it's exactly what you said, that the customers would discover us
On Meta.
on Meta, on some reel of ours, and then different services, we set different kind of targeting for each of the services, and then they leave a lead, or they will inquire, or they'll call us, or they'll WhatsApp us, depending on whatever CTA, or they will download our app, or they will come to our website. So हर तरह के channel से customer को acquire करने के ads चलते हैं, and then we try to show one ad. I mean, like, we maintain a frequency of between 2 to 3 per customer. We run ads on a very very वेरी वेरी सिलेक्टिव टारगेटिंग, जो भी हमने लाइक बहुत मेहनत करके क्रैक किया है कि this is the kind of targeting that you do, that the lead quality is actually very
Very
good.
good.
Yeah, and then we keep following up either through phone calls or through WhatsApp. That's pretty much it.
Got it. Okay. So, I also noticed that one of your ads was in actually Gujarati, if I'm
Yes.
not wrong, right?
Yes.
So, obviously, not many brands do this, the
Yeah.
vernacular kind of content.
Yeah.
How did you come up with that? Like,
I think we are also trying to nail it. We are not there. So we are present in, so the tier 2 cities where we are present in were not growing the way a Bombay or a Bangalore or a Gurgaon or a Noida or a Delhi are growing, which are relatively more cosmopolitan.
Yeah.
You know, a Pune or a Hyderabad or a Surat or a Ahmedabad. यहाँ पे we realize, or a Ludhiana or a Chandigarh, we realize that we will have to strategize these cities differently.
कुछ
And
अलग
then-
करना पड़ेगा.
And then we reached out to a lot of people, a lot of brands. I am lucky enough to be incubated in Sequoia or Peak 15 now. So उनके through बहुत founders का network मिल जाता है. And then somebody mentioned to me, in fact ये तो somebody from DSG, I was a friend there, वो बात कर रहे थे कि हैदराबाद, झारखंड and then northeastern India is isolatable.
Okay.
जिसका मतलब है कि आप वहां के लिए बस एक ब्रांड बना सकते हो just on the power of vernacular content.
अच्छा.
So that was the big
कौन सी cities? You said-
हैदराबाद, झारखंड and northeastern India.
Okay.
So हम
okay.
इनमें से हम हैदराबाद में हैं, and then there's no reason why it will not apply to Gujarat or Ludhiana or Chandigarh.
Yeah.
थोड़ा सा हमें इससे भी पता चला that when we were getting the inquiries, you know, those clients wanted to speak to somebody who can speak to them in their mother tongue.
ठीक
Like
है.
Pune से inquiry आती है, and if the person is speaking in Marathi, they are more comfortable with them.
Yeah.
Because see, the clients when they interact with us, they just don't come with कि मुझे pigmentation ठीक करना है. They come with the full, you know, story of क्यों ठीक करना है. You know, for somebody it's about शादी, for somebody it's about बहन की शादी, or for somebody it's about I am not feeling good about this, मुझे suddenly हो गया, मेरा lifestyle change हुआ, इस वजह से change हुआ, etc.
Yeah.
So they feel the trust comes when you know, when the person on the other side is also speaking to them in the language that they are more comfortable with.
Yeah.
And then we realized कि ये अगर फोन पे बात करने में है तो ये तो कंटेंट में और ज्यादा एप्लीकेबल होगा. People
Right.
would watch, will relate with things we are speaking, which are speaking to them in their language.
Right.
And that's how we got into vernacular content.
Wow. I think ये बड़ी this is very interesting because I think power of vernacular content अभी उतना explore ही नहीं हुआ है हमारे I think across whether it's in advertising or marketing or in general. मुझे लगता है this has a lot of potential for brands to see, and I think this again shows कि how much understanding of the customer one must have to market it well, right? कि अगर कोई brand का owner है, उसका suppose गुजरात से product पे बहुत उसका गुजरात में जा रहा है, तो if they start creating वहाँ पे और growth आ सकती है, right? And I think वो बड़ी सही insight है, I feel. And
नहीं, not just vernacular, हम लोग का internal debate कितना होता है कि do we want to create a content in English or in Hindi?
हाँ.
we keep going back and forth on it कि you know, you are an aspirational brand, आप एक price point पे करते हो. So in India, even if people don't speak the language, but if they are spending on something, they want to feel the premiumness of the brand, and hence everything should be English. And then वो try करते हैं. Then फिर दूसरा आ जाता है कि नहीं लोगों का कोर तो देसी है, तो देसी एंगेजिंग कंटेंट होना चाहिए, हिंदी होना चाहिए. We keep experimenting. I think both the sides have equal merit.
Right.
But now we've come to a point that we're doing both. So we have content which is, you know, very premium music chal raha hoga piche, and then the narration and everything is in English, and at the same time we also have content which is funny, which is in Hindi, which is very desi, which relates with you know, the desi the inner desi selves
Got
of
it.
people.
Right. So, Neeto, yeah, you have obviously come to a very clear conclusion of your brand's voice and everything. What क्या इसके लिए क्या क्या मिस्टेक्स है यार, व्हाट ऑल, बिकॉज आई एम श्योर ये ऐसा तो नहीं होगा फर्स्ट इंस्टिंक्ट यार हो गया क्रैक हो गया, ऐसा तो आई डोंट थिंक सो.
यार आई थिंक हमने भी अभी क्रैक नहीं किया है. आई
Yeah.
थिंक यू नो जब whenever we talk about हमारी नेक्स्ट प्रायोरिटी क्या प्रायोरिटीज क्या हैं, the biggest one is कि content crack करना. I don't think we've yet cracked
अच्छा,
it.
ये
We are,
चीज़ है.
I think we can do a much better job of it. But then I would say it's all hit and trial, you know.
Yeah.
It's all hit and trial. It's also a lot of talking to people, you know.
Yeah.
When if you are in a consumer business, if you're not talking to other consumer owners of other consumer brands, then then you're missing out on a lot. So
Yeah.
any marketing interview that happens in our company,
Yeah.
that is one division कि मैं हर candidate को interview करती हूँ, because I learn so much through those interviews कि आप ये कैसे करते हो, Gen Z को कैसे क्या चमकता है क्या नहीं चमकता है.
Yeah.
So all of that, you know.
So you think you are still figuring that out, right? अभी भी मतलब अभी कुछ मिला है.
अभी कुछ मिला है. अभी we have to go a long way there.
तो what is that way? What do you imagine in terms of content? because आपने बोला number one priority है. क्या है do you think that you guys can genuinely improve now? मतलब I'm that you think यार ये करना है and we want to implement and experiment with that at least.
So I think you know we can up our production game a lot more.
ठीक है.
You know, with the power of AI and हम क्या क्या generate कर सकते हैं, that's become much more easier.
So you mean production quality or quantity?
Both.
ठीक है.
I think हम ऐसे जहाँ ऐसी दुनिया में जी रहे हैं, like जिसके पास ज्यादा content है उसके पास उतना power है. And in our case where we run so many services across so many cities, you know, I think we are always playing the catching up with the content game. We are very very silent on YouTube, which is just something that we want to crack.
Yeah.
So that's one, just on the production bit. Now the second axis is that, you know, we need to have, because we have variety of consumers, right? Like I mentioned that it is a very scalable business. The threshold is 6 lakh annual income, which means बहुत सारे age के, बहुत सारे जगह के रहने वाले, अलग-अलग, you know, a corporate woman thinks differently, a housewife thinks differently, and a small business owner thinks differently.
Yeah.
So what is the variety of content that we have to create?
Yeah.
Which resonates with, you know,
All
different types of segments of consumers that you're targeting.
Yeah.
And then third is, you know, what kind of influencers do you get on board?
Yeah.
You know, are those do you work with more comedians? Do you work with TV stars? Do you work with?
Have you worked with co-influencers अभी तक? Or
we
something?
do. We've done it on and off. We've never done it, you know, as a strategy. But I think now we're getting there where we are strategizing influencer marketing also.
किस तरह से करना चाहिए?
Correct.
Got it. Yeah. Okay.
And then after that it is you know, the variety of content. So कितना content आपका होगा where your dermatologist will demystify procedures. कितना content ऐसा होगा, and like unlike many other brands, we have a lot of USPs, right? Like the treatments are better, it's more affordable, it's more convenient, it's more tech savvy.
Yeah.
Now, अब आप ये चारों चीजों में से क्या आप चारों एक में दिखा सकते हो? It's mostly impossible.
Yeah.
तो आप क्या दिखाओगे? आप किसको क्या दिखाओगे? किसके साथ क्या ज्यादा रेजोनेट करेगा? So आप अगर किसी के पास you know मेरे को 1 लाख रुपए अगर मेरा क्लिनिक का बिल है, उसको आप बोल रहे हो मैं आपका ट्रीटमेंट 50,000 में कर दूंगा, they might not value you. उनके लिए ये है कि यार मैं तो पैसे लेके बैठी हूँ, but what I want is results. For somebody results may be most important, somebody convenience will be most important. Like ठीक है, मेरा चलो 6 सेशन में नहीं 8 सेशन में रिजल्ट दे दो, बट मैं क्लिनिक नहीं जा सकती हूँ, तो उनको आपको उस एंगल पे प्ले करना पड़ेगा. So now we are, you know, who are the different cohorts of consumers and what kind of content will resonate with them. उसमें से कौन सा content montage होगा, कौन सा dermat driven होगा, कौन सा micro influencer driven होगा, कौन सा celebrity driven होगा.
Yeah. I think first would be to figure out कि किस psychography को आप target कर रहे हो, right? As you mentioned, housewife अलग है, small business owner अलग है, right? So the first would be उस psychography में कौन से segments आ रहे हैं आपके TGs में, and then sub segmentation के basis पे obviously creating order. I think I also think this is again my suggestion. You should definitely, because itna pack of information and scientific backed hai, I think YouTube will be a very very good game changer for you in the long term.
Yeah.
Yeah, because जो long form storytelling will do for you and create that strong community, I think.
Yeah,
I-
that's the plan.
I genuinely think वो that will be a, as at least I say कि product marketing fit आपको
Yeah.
वहाँ बहुत अच्छा मिलेगा,
Mhm.
is what I feel on YouTube.
Yeah.
Because that's the kind of communication you guys should definitely do. So yeah, very nice. I think जो कंटेंट का आपने ये इतना डिटेल में दिया, राइट, आई थिंक what it tells also about the business is कि it's very customer driven, right?
Yeah.
And so the marketing is, so the product is, so the everything across your entire funnel is, right?
Yeah.
कि it has to be very customers को क्या चाहिए, love चाहिए या convenience चाहिए या उनकी अपनी story problem चाहिए. So अब इस केस में I'm sure you must have also received some good feedback and some maybe negative feedback or improvement wala feedback with your customers. How have you figured that out, and उस feedback को आपने अपनी marketing में कैसे integrate किया? Has that happened yet or no?
See, the customers don't tell you कि मुझे आपका content पसंद नहीं आया है.
No, I'm not saying about the content,
But you get to know based on, you know, उनके CTRs क्या हैं. There would be
Yeah.
an ad जिसमें lead बहुत महंगी आ रही होगी. कोई ad
Yeah.
होगा जो इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा होगा कि आप junk lead create कर रहे होगे
Right,
उसमें,
right,
right?
right.
Like ऐसा है कि हर कोई बटन दबा
हाँ.
रहा है, and then starting में you feel very good, oh my CPL is so low and everything, and then when you look at the conversion you're like what the hell, क्या कर दिया
Yeah.
हमने now. It's so much effort to now find the relevant customers out of, you know, the
Yeah.
pile of leads that
Yeah.
you've generated.
Yeah, no, so I'll tell you what I mean by with that is कि जैसे customers ने आप सर्विस में यूज किया कि यार ये चीज मिसिंग लगी या ये चीज और ऐड हो सकती है, देन यू मे बी इंटीग्रेटेड दैट, या उनकी लैक ऑफ नॉलेज अबाउट थिंग्स, राइट, कि यार ये कैसे होगा, एंड यू लाइक यार ये 4 कॉमन क्वेश्चंस हैं.
Yeah.
सो इंस्टेड ऑफ जस्ट वेबसाइट पे ऐप पे FAQ डालने की बजाय हैव यू
Yeah,
कि यार
100%.
इसको
Like, for
content
example,
में
we have a
fix करें.
service called Glutathione IV drip right now.
ठीक है.
Basically, Glutathione IV drips are famous for helping clients achieve a couple of skin tone lighter skin.
ठीक है.
अब उसकी expectation लोगों की बहुत अलग अलग होती है. That which is, you know, एक almost like every third client tells us कि काजोल देखो Glutathione IV drip लगा के ऐसी हो गई है, ऐसी दिखती थी, जो पता नहीं काजोल ने कौन सी रील डाली. Even I have not seen it, but like I've heard this so many times from my sales team, and that expectation is wrong. Now we don't want to land in a situation where we sell something to the customer and then उसके बाद you know हम पे ही आके फट गया, because
Yeah.
you know we also want customers to repeat, etc. So now almost all of our ads are blatantly saying that, you know, it helps you achieve your original skin tone. It is not this thing, but by the way, it has so many benefits. So a customer who wants to buy glutathione, you know, a lot of times we feel कि, you know, हम अगर अपने product को बिल्कुल best नहीं दिखाएंगे या उसकी सच्चाई बता देंगे, which might be slightly you know, lower in terms of output versus what a client is expecting, तो वो शायद हमें नहीं purchase करेंगे, which is what our sales team also says. But ऐसा होता नहीं है. Today the consumer loves brands who can be trusted,
Yeah.
who are saying the truth, who are and you know, किससे कितना हो सकता है everybody Google, सबको पता होता है. So that's what we try to do in every piece of content. Most content of ours which does well is where we are actually demystifying stuff and telling them that how we can be your trusted partners, because you know, we are not lying to you and we are very transparent with you.
राइट. आई थिंक आज की डेट में ना ब्रांड्स को यार मेरे को तो लगता है ट्रांसपेरेंसी हैज टू बी नंबर 1
Yeah,
इन एनी
yeah.
इंडस्ट्री, है ना, कि भाई अगर आप हेल्दी फूड ब्रांड नहीं हो तो बोल दो हम हेल्दी फूड ब्रांड नहीं है.
Exactly.
Like, क्या है ना कि हमने ये चीज करी है, हम इसलिए हेल्दियर है, ये सब. आई डोंट थिंक कि दैट इज, लोग सीधा बोल देते हैं यार तू बोल दे नहीं है हेल्दी, टेस्टी, मैं टेस्टी ब्रांड ढूंढ रहा हूँ, राइट, या हेल्दी है तो भाई ये. आई थिंक कि आज बिकॉज स्पेशली जेनजीज एज मतलब वी सी की दे वांट ऑनेस्ट ट्रांसपेरेंसी कि भाई हम ऐसे हैं, ये कर सकते हैं. सो वही जो आपने काजोल वाला एग्जांपल दिया, बिकॉज बट एक चीज जो मुझे भी लगती है, सी बिकॉज ऑफ दिस स्किन केयर, एंड आई एग्री विद यू कि ठीक है सबको इश्यूज होते हैं शादी के, फैमिली के, कॉलेज में, अपने ऑफिस में, कि मे बी आई एम नॉट लुकिंग एज गुड एज अदर्स आर, और आई एम नॉट गेटिंग दैट मच अटेंशन. बट एट द सेम टाइम इसका एक नेगेटिव इफेक्ट मे बी ड्यू टू सोशल मीडिया भी है अगेन, कि बिकॉज ऑफ अ फिक्शनल वर्ल्ड वी सी ऑन सोशल मीडिया, सारे चेहरे अच्छे हैं भाई,
Yeah.
सारे लोग अच्छे
इतने
दिख रहे हैं.
फिल्टर्स लगाते हैं कि अब लोगों को
हाँ.
बिना अपने ओरिजिनल शक्ल नहीं पसंद आती.
हाँ करेक्ट. तो फिल्टर्स भी लग रहे हैं और दूसरों को भी देख के लग रहा है कि यार ये तो बहुत सारे बड़े स्मार्ट,
Yeah.
मतलब मैं ही खोलता हूँ तो मेरे को लगता है यार ये कितने स्मार्ट लोग हैं यार, मतलब पता नहीं, यू नो दैट
Yeah,
काइंड ऑफ अ
yeah,
थिंग.
of course.
तो इस तरह की चीजें भी हैं, एंड ऑब्वियसली व्हेन यू गाइस सर्व इनटू दिस कि आप इंप्रूव कर सकते हो वो थोड़ा बहुत, डोंट यू थिंक कि वो उस चीज को भी केटर कर रहा है? इट्स ऑल्सो टेलिंग पीपल डोंट एक्सेप्ट कंप्लीटली योरसेल्फ, हम तो हैं ही कर ही सकते हैं. आई थिंक इन जनरल इन स्किन केयर इंडस्ट्री में या ऐसी इंडस्ट्री में जिसमें यू आर सेइंग कि हाँ हम इंप्रूव कर सकते हैं. तो जैसे वो काजोल का स्टोरी का एग्जांपल दिया आपने,
Yeah, yeah.
तो ऐसे 100 और एग्जांपल्स है
Yeah.
राइट, कि पीपल फील कि यार अरे यार मैं सपोज आई एक्सेप्ट कि मैं ऐसा दिखता हूँ, मे बी आई रिड्यूस वेट या वो कुछ, लेकिन अगर मुझे कोई कहेगा यार तू कर ले, तू बहुत स्मार्ट दिखेगा, साइंटिफिक है, सब बैक्ड है, सब अच्छा है, तो आई विल ऑटोमेटिकली, अगर वो इनसिक्योरिटी होगी भी नहीं तो आ जाएगी कि यार शायद मैं बेटर हो सकता हूँ, अभी नहीं हूँ. That kind of thing. What do you think about this?
I think fair point that we are milking the industry which runs on people's awkwardness because of the way they look. Now on paper it sounds very politically incorrect, but in a way I think we are helping people. आप देख लो कि मतलब आप अपने घर में देख लो, कोई ना कोई कहीं मुल्तानी मिट्टी घिस रहा है, कहीं कुछ कर रहा है, कहीं कुछ कर रहा है. पीपल आर नेवर हैप्पी विथ, आप यू जस्ट, आप हॉलीडे पे जाते हो, ठीक है, आप 2000 फोटोज खींचोगे, आप केवल 3 अपलोड करोगे, क्यों? बिकॉज यू डोंट लुक गुड इनफ. अब वो प्रॉब्लम हर इंडिविजुअल को सुबह शाम रात दिन परेशान करती है. irrespective of what they've achieved, what they've done, everybody wants to look better. Now we are in a business where we make that process very very easy कि वो आपका जो भी ड्रीम लुक है उसको अचीव करना इतना इजी हो जाए that then you can stop worrying about it, just get done with it once and then get to life. It is very easy to say that nobody cares about looks, but who wants to marry a person who does not look good? Nobody. सबसे पहले हमारे यहाँ फोटो देखी जाती है, चाहे लड़का हो चाहे लड़की हो. टिंडर पे सबसे पहले फोटो देखी जाती है. People don't even find not so good looking people even date worthy. So there is a real problem that we are solving. And we are solving it in a way which is more effective. We are not saying कि ये क्रीम को लगाते रहो and आप 1 साल तक लगा रहे हो and आपको कोई रिजल्ट नहीं मिल रहा है. We are saying कि फट सॉल्व होएगा, 2-3 सेशन में आपको रिजल्ट दिखने लगेगा, नहीं दिखे तो यूज करना बंद कर देना. सो नाउ द टेक्नोलॉजी इज इवॉल्व्ड सो वेल. एक हम पहले जोक करते थे ना, माय हस्बैंड यूज्ड टू से, जब भी when we used to travel abroad, कि फॉरेन में यार सब लोग इतने परफेक्ट है, सबके बाल परफेक्ट है, सबका चेहरा परफेक्ट है, ये सब एक्ने पिगमेंटेशन हमारे देश में क्यों होता है? बिकॉज the treatments have penetrated so much. मतलब like to get rid of a problem, an aesthetic problem has become so easy that every second person is able to look the way they want.
Achha,
and that's what we are enabling in India.
Yeah, I mean definitely it's a little sense में controversial कह सकते हो कि you are selling not a dream but selling something कि आप अपनी looks को better कर लो, and maybe on some level you are okay accepting the fact कि यार हाँ ये थोड़ा insecurity सब में है, and हम उसको we are trying to give that opportunity to them, right?
Yeah.
Which is obviously it's a pure धंधे के टर्म्स में तो ये बिल्कुल फेयर है, बिल्कुल, कि भाई ये प्रॉब्लम है लोगों को, हम सॉल्व कर रहे हैं. हम फेक ड्रीम नहीं भेज रहे उन्हें कि आप 10x कुछ और ही हो जाओगे, आप मतलब टॉम क्रूज बन जाओगे, लेकिन यू आर सेइंग कि आप हाँ बेटर दिख सकते हो, राइट?
Yeah.
सो इन अ वे आप उस सोसाइटी जो ऑलरेडी लुक्स पे है, यू डू यू थिंक कि ये प्रॉब्लम बढ़ने वाली है क्या, या पीपल विल इवेंचुअली स्टार्ट एक्सेप्टिंग द फैक्ट कि हम ऐसे दिख रहे हैं?
नो, आई थिंक ये कम हो जाएगी क्योंकि बहुत मेन, अब जैसे आप देखो वैक्सिंग मेन स्ट्रीम हो गया है कि नहीं हो गया है, मतलब बॉडी हेयर भी तो नेचुरल है, राइट?
हाँ.
अब हर कोई, अब क्योंकि वैक्सिंग इतना कॉमन हो गया है कि किसी को बॉडी हेयर, वो इतना कोई दिमाग ही नहीं लगाता कि मेरे को मेरे बाल दिखाने हैं क्योंकि मेरे बाल ऐसे ही हैं, क्योंकि इट्स बिकम मेन स्ट्रीम, राइट? हेयर कलर हैज बिकम मेन स्ट्रीम। अब बाल सबके ब्लैक कलर के होते हैं, बट
हाँ.
किसी को ब्लॉन्ड कराने हैं, किसी को या किसी को स्ट्रेटन कराने हैं, किसी को कुछ कराना है, बिकॉज बहुत मेन स्ट्रीम हो गया है, लोगों को मजा आने लगा है। नाउ nobody questions a salon की that you are selling a fake dream of मुझे आप ग्लासेस पहने हो, राइट? you're wearing a glasses, अब वो काले फ्रेम का चश्मा नहीं लगाते हो because that's your style. So same with apparel, same with footwear. So anything, same with gyms. मतलब gyms बहुत छोटा परसेंटेज है जो जिम्स में स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग के लिए जाता है कि मेरा स्टैमिना बना रहे हैं, मेरे को आगे जाके बीमारी नहीं हो। ज्यादातर लोग ऐसे बनाते हैं कि मेरी बॉडी बन जाए या मेरा फिगर बन जाए या मेरा हो गया, दैट्स द, सो इट इज ह्यूमन। अब आप बोलो कि मतलब मैस्लोज हायरार्की नीड में जो सोशल नीड है उसमें ब्यूटी इज अ नीड, यू कैन नेवर चेंज इट। मेरी बच्ची है, शी इज 6 years old, उसको अभी दुनिया का कोई सेंस नहीं है कि क्या है, वो फिर भी शीशे के सामने खड़े होके कहीं हमने बाल कर रही है, मैं ये कपड़े पहन रही हूँ, बिकॉज इट्स ओनली ह्यूमन टू बी टू फील द नीड टू लुक बेटर देन, या वो भी बोलती है मम्मी मेरे बाल में ये क्लिप लगा दो, ऐसा कर दो। सो I think there is a need, and then we are just making the process very easy. Imagine आपको आपके बाल सफेद हो रहे हैं एंड आपकी दुनिया में हेयर कलर एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता, सैलून नहीं एग्जिस्ट करता। आई थिंक उस वर्ल्ड से बेटर वर्ल्ड ये है कि एक, मतलब मैं घर से निकलती हूँ 5 मिनट मेरे को डाई मिल जाती है, मेरे 10 मिनट में बाल काले हो जाते हैं, आई एम हैप्पी। That is the kind of reality towards which, or that is the kind of world that we are trying to achieve for treatments for which like problems for which solutions don't exist today.
Yeah, no, I think absolutely true. Well, this is the reality we live with, and even मैं भी यही मानता हूँ कि यार accept कर लेते हैं looks wise, but because for my company also, when I realized कि यार I will have to create content and be in front of it, right? तो तब मेरे को एकदम रियलाइज हुआ कि अच्छा ये चीज़ नहीं आ रहा है, I have to shave a bit, ये वो, it's छोड़, जबकि मैं बहुत केयरफ्री हूँ, मुझे नहीं फर्क पड़ता मैं क्या पहन रहा हूँ ये वो, but I realized slowly and steadily it's not just for me, but it involves so many things around कि because probably if I look better, the engagement might slightly be better, and that's the reality of world.
It's the source of confidence. See, nobody can ever become the prettiest, the best looking person, right? But सबका अपना अपना threshold होता है कि मैं अभी ऐसे दिखता था, मैं ऐसे दिखने लगा हूँ, मैं ऐसे दिखने लगा हूँ, मैं ऐसे दिखने लगा हूँ, and वो उससे बहुत sense of happiness आता है. So that's what we are enabling.
Yeah, no, fair. I think that's a very genuine point, and but again इसमें then what is the threshold of where you go like यार ये तो unrealistic beauty standard expectation है, कि यार ये तो expectation बहुत हुआ है, या ऐसा कोई है ही नहीं कि आप कुछ भी you can dream and imagine और हम कर देंगे, मे बी आज नहीं, मे 5 साल बाद टेक आएगा और whatever.
I think वो हो जाएगा धीरे धीरे. We are getting there, you have breast implants, you have you can now shape your butt the way you want, you can fix your nose the way you want, so everything is now available in the market, and it's the popularity of all of this is only growing.
But do you think कि जैसे suppose आपका current tech पे, maybe not the future या whatever breast implants है वो, इसका ह्यूमन बॉडी की हेल्थ पे लॉन्ग टर्म में कोई साइड इफेक्ट होता है? नो
यार, I am not, so surgical treatments are not my forte, because we don't do those, but the treatments that we do are completely like, we only do stuff which has no side effects, because we have to do everything at scale and at home. तो हम सबसे lowest risk उठाते हैं, because and so far it's been more like we've done like about 2 lakh treatments. There hasn't been any such escalation where छोटा मोटा हो जाता है, there is a
Yeah.
minor burn या
हाँ.
कुछ bruise हो गया, which gets cured in 4-5 days and our
हाँ.
team handholds the client and
Yeah.
everywhere, but nothing major
Major नहीं है
has
no.
happened.
ठीक
It's
है.
not like hair transplant की,
हाँ.
somebody died in it, or
हाँ.
उस तरह के treatments we don't do.
Got it. So, ठीक है. So one of the things is for your brand, what you have seen is honesty, transparency, telling what you can improve, confidence of the customer, and obviously trying different creatives. So this has been your brand building and marketing journey till now, and obviously Meta has played a huge role in it. And you definitely plan to take it to YouTube and explore more content because it is going to be important. So एक बहुत अच्छी insightful बात यह है कि you are marketing mostly as a kind of a D2C kind of brand,
Yes.
right? कि आप हमारा ये ले लो, but your product is not D2C.
Correct.
It's मतलब it is D2C,
Yeah.
but in a very different
Yeah,
kind
it's
of
a services business.
services business, right? लेकिन your marketing primarily is around, like it's a product, like a tech product, but marketed as a D2C kind
Correct.
of brand. And that's how you have been able to, along with the trust of your customers, results. Obviously, product wise, you must be good, but jo marketing me you have figured out is these couple of things that are working, and these things you need to do to even scale further to find that product marketing fit.
Yeah.
Even more,
Yeah.
even deeper.
Yeah,
with the
absolutely spot
customers.
on.
Yeah, na? ठीक है. So cool. I'll come to the main thing which people know you from, or at least I have known
Shark
you from.
Tank.
Yes. So obviously the entire process, I've spoken to a lot of Shark Tank brand owners, so I have understood the process that goes through, but I want to understand your personal experience from start to end. Maybe not the process as such, but maybe when you received the call, where were you?
Yeah.
When to decide, कैसा लगा excitement? Okay, क्या expectation थी जाने से पहले? Pitch के बाद I know कि everything there is on the spot. कितना
Yeah.
लंबा था? What happened to the deal? सब कुछ, and just everything, because
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I never planned to go into Shark Tank. This was 2023 में हमारी company शुरू हुई थी, and then I met Parminder who runs a startup called We Snap You, which also featured on Shark Tank in season 1. He is my husband's schoolmate, and वो एक बार घर आए and they were like, आप Shark Tank में क्यों नहीं जाते हो? So I said, अभी हम क्या Shark Tank में जाएंगे यार, बहुत काम है, business बना रहे हैं, अभी mainstream काम कर रहे हैं, सब time pass की होनी है. And then he said, no, Shark Tank is not time pass. If you're in the consumer space and अगर आप Shark Tank में नहीं जा रहे हो, then you are losing out on a very big opportunity. And he insisted that and fortunately उस time I think मार्च अप्रैल का टाइम था कि उस टाइम फॉर्म्स भी चल रहे थे. उन्होंने बोला कि आपके फॉर्म्स हैं, आप एटलीस्ट अप्लाई करो. एंड देन आई टोल्ड माय टीम, सो प्रियंका एंड कृतिक, पहला तो उनका होता है कि यू हैव टू राइट अ रिटन वो, एंड देन Parminder told me, you are a woman solo entrepreneur from a good pedigree. You might have a very good chance. You come from a small town. You just write a lot about your story. So I did that, and then Shark Tank में ऐसा क्या होता है कि आप भेज देते हो, ना कोई acknowledgement आता है, ना कुछ आता है. And then फिर 2-3 महीने तक कुछ हुआ नहीं. So we thought कि हमारा नहीं हुआ selection. एक दो जो हमारे टीम में शार्क टैंक एंथुसियास्ट थे, वो आके पूछते थे कि अच्छा क्या हुआ ऐसा, यार जवाब नहीं आया, शायद लाइक वी हैव नॉट बीन सिलेक्टेड. देन सडनली जुलाई में एक उनका ईमेल आया कि एक वीडियो भेजो आप. तो 4 सेकंड्स का पिच या नहीं 4-5 सेकंड्स का वीडियो भेजो. सो देन फिर हम लोगों ने I remember we went to a studio, जैसे वो पुराने जमाने के स्टूडियो नहीं होते जहाँ फोटो खींचने जाते हैं, कि उस टाइम तक अवतार के पास कुछ इतने अच्छे प्रोडक्शन कैपेबिलिटीज कुछ नहीं था. तो वहाँ खन्ना मार्केट में दिल्ली में हम जाके मेरी टीम ने स्क्रिप्ट लिखी थी, ये बोलना है, एंड उसको हमने बोला, एंड वो एडिट करके वो वीडियो भेजा. बाय दिस टाइम बिकॉज हमने उस वीडियो बनाने में इतनी मेहनत कर ली थी, वी वर रियली होपफुल कि यार अब आना चाहिए. फिर 2-3 महीने तक देयर वाज डेड साइलेंस, एंड देन वी रिसीव अ कॉल कि आप अब बॉम्बे आओ, आपको प्रैक्टिस पिच के लिए आना है, एंड देन इफ यू आर एबल वील चेक योर कैमरा प्रेजेंस एंड एवरीथिंग विल बी लाइक शार्क टैंक, जस्ट दैट हमारी टीम बैठी होगी इंस्टेड ऑफ
वो दिल्ली में ही हुआ था ना,
बॉम्बे में हुआ था. हमें तो बॉम्बे बुलाया था.
अच्छा, आपको बुलाया.
So then I went for that. There, I think, Neha, who's their creative director, who was on the panel. she I think got very intrigued with the business. मतलब I remember कि मेरी जो final pitch से ज़्यादा मजा मुझे उस वाली pitch में आया था, where there are so many questions and like all the 3 people on the panel from the Shark Tank side were women only. उनने इतना पूछा बोला मैंने काया से कराया, मेरे को तो रिजल्ट ही नहीं आया और ऐसा हो गया वैसा हो गया, अभी कैसे आता है, घर पे कैसे करते हो, ये तो पेनफुल होता है, अच्छा पेनलेस भी आने लगा है. So वो बड़ा अच्छा conversation हुआ. And then and that was also the time when we were just starting to open Bombay. तो हमारे पास बॉम्बे में काफी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर था, तो हम अपनी मशीन सब लेके डेमोन्स्ट्रेट करने गए थे. एंड देन अगेन देन नेक्स्ट डे आफ्टर दैट शूट आई गेट अ कॉल कि आप इस डेट से इस डेट पे फ्री हो क्या, हम आपका शूट करेंगे. बट ये कोई मतलब यू नो शार्क टैंक ऑलवेज सेज किसी भी चीज की गारंटी नहीं है. एंड देन फिर मैंने बोला ओके, तो उन्होंने बोला हम आपको बताएंगे. एंड देन दे नेवर कॉल्ड. फिर मुझे लगा कि हमारा फिर से कट गया. एंड देन फाइनली दे कॉल्ड कि यू नो 1 week like they gave us a 1 week notice that now you have to come to Bombay and then you will shoot with the sharks. and उसमें 3 दिन का प्रैक्टिस होता है.
पिच प्रूव कराते हैं सब. या ठीक है, सही है. तो वहां पे जाने के बाद what is not there, एयर पे क्या नहीं है, what was there, क्या आपको लगा?
I think
क्योंकि बहुत ड्रामेटिक था यार,
बहुत ड्रामेटिक था, बट आई थिंक ऑन एयर बहुत सारा ड्रामा नहीं है.
अच्छा.
So my this thing went on for 2 hours. Air हमारा 30 minutes. Ours was also the longest episode that was ever air on Shark Tank, क्योंकि हमारा 30 minutes का segment था. वो 2 घंटे में जो you know sharks ने बैंड बजाई थी, ये भी है ऐसा वैसा ये वो, so उतना आया नहीं on air. But I think net what we gained from that, मतलब like it was so.
तो बैंड क्या बजाई पहले ये?
I think so.
थोड़ी और what was कि क्या नहीं हुआ कवर, या क्या बात थी, या कुछ भी?
I think main points cover हो गए, just that the duration of everything was much longer than what came on the TV.
ठीक है, okay.
And I think what the Shark Tank team did very well in my favor. You know, of course, different founders have different experiences कि आपने selectively edit किया है. मेरा episode भी बहुत selectively edit हुआ, but in my case, you know, immense gratitude to them. उनने episode को ऐसे edit किया in which I emerged as the hero at the end. So that worked for our brand a lot. There's so many. So, you know, after the episode aired, there was an army of men who were bashing me on YouTube and Reddit. And there was a bigger army of women who were reaching out to me on LinkedIn. So proud to see a strong women. So proud to see the way you gave it back to the sharks. My conclusion of the Shark Tank episode was that a strong woman gives it back and she's considered arrogant. And so I got so much support from women and the right kind of women that almost all of them became our customers eventually.
But हुआ क्यों? Why do you think वो इतना heat up हो गया था in that moment? What exactly happened?
यार I think so see, you know, जिस दिन shoot हुआ था उस दिन उसके एक दिन पहले and उसके एक दिन पहले, like जिस दिन shoot हुआ था सबसे पहला तो मेरा ही shoot हुआ था. I had gotten to know that sharks are bashing founders a lot. इस season में शायद वो strategy कर रहे हैं. Ashneer नहीं है and season 2 did not do too well. So like most sharks were in the Ashneer mode. And then I was speaking to my husband and I said कि यार ये तो बेइज्जती कर देंगे ऐसा वैसा. And then he said that, you know, you listen to them but like don't take bullshit from anybody. If you think anything is wrong, you just give it back to them. So वो जब when they were raising questions on my business, I had very good responses to all of them. Some of those were showed also, but सारे दिखाए नहीं थे.
ठीक है.
And then जो भी हुआ, and वो तब तक like and इतना you know, I was also so tired कि then they started attacking me on my character and personality. And that was, and this was like 1 hour 15 minutes of constant bashing. And I am a solo founder, right? So मेरे पास side में भी नहीं था थोड़ी सी bashing share करने के लिए.
So I can
was
understand,
so
imagine.
on the verge of breaking down, and then they caught on to that, and then they started targeting my personality, my character, my behavior, and all of that. And at that point, like, you know, I as an individual kind of gave up and tap, you know, आंसू गिरने लगे. I completely broke down. And then they were like, okay, आप पानी पी लो, ऐसा वैसा ये वो, and all of those that got on the camera. And then उसके बाद, then I was like, you know, give me a second chance, like I want to pitch to you properly. And then we started to talk about sales and everything. All the better part of the business, our metrics were very strong for a 1-year-old business. So and that's how the deal happened.
Right.
And like both the sharks. So we did not officially do the deal. The only reason being, by the time we finalized, तब तक business का scale इतना बड़ा हो गया था कि you know that 70 lakhs we had raised a much larger round, that 70 lakhs did not make sense. But Aman has been a great mentor. You know, we keep meeting in the events and everything. And every time we meet, Aman is like, "उस दिन तो आप कितना रोए," and then you know we laugh over that. आप चुप ही नहीं हो रहे थे यार. So and then I always say, Aman, आपने ही मेरी इज्जत बचा ली, because he was the one, you know, who said कि you know I see something and then I want to make an offer. And his team is very supportive. Like, you know, anytime I need anything, so I reach out to them. So my net experience of Shark Tank was very good.
Right.
Like,
So, and
I gained a lot.
Yeah.
The brand gained a lot.
Right. Got it. Yeah, anything that works for the brand at core, as business owners,
Yeah,
anything that works for the
exactly.
brand. And so sweet, yeah. Even after that, when you meet Aman, if he's saying ki mast hai and he's very
No, yaar. I think it's a good platform. The Sharks are good. I mean, I only met Aman after that because Anupam is in Bombay. I tried to meet him, kabhi ho nahi paya. But I think net good people. I think जिन लोगों ने इतने बड़े brand बनाए, as a founder I realize it's so much struggle कि अगर आप बहुत अच्छे इंसान नहीं हो तो आप टीम तो चला ही नहीं सकते.
नहीं चला
So I
सकते,
think they are all good people at heart.
Yeah, wow. Great, yeah. I mean, because see, what I love talking when I'm talking to Shark, because as someone marketing, it's a big marketing platform. Especially the initial seasons were big. आपके case में तो obviously it got viral, and I'm sure कि और attention and downloads and must have been great. And is वो push शायद आज तक भी होगा, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, 100%.
Right. So I think that's the reason. And post that, obviously your sales and everything, how वो affect हुई?
Sales jumped big time. You know, for the longest time हमारा था कि हम 1 crore monthly कब करेंगे, and वो episode air हुआ, and that like March of 2023 we had hit 1 crore.
Wow.
And then it only kept increasing. In our case, see, it's a hyper local business. So when Shark Tank happened, we were present in only 2-3 cities. So we could gain only so much from that.
Yeah.
But the Shark Tank branding still continues. So
push.
like we don't need anything to launch a new city. वो Shark Tank के नाम से ही अभी तक people remember me क्योंकि वो episode इतना वो हो गया था. So net the sales have picked up like anything, and then we were able to sustain the momentum also. So like जब sales बढ़ गई, then हमारे साथ ऐसा नहीं हुआ कि 2 महीने बढ़ गए और फिर से dip हो गया. Then our team did a very good job of maintaining that momentum, and we kept growing from that. Now
Got it.
Almost doubled from even there.
Wow.
More than doubled.
Wow. Well, so net, any founder who is applying for Shark Tank, thumbs up, they should do that.
100%. I mean, like I would say they should very seriously do that. It should not be कि हाँ side में Shark Tank चल रहा है, आपका सबसे बड़ा marketing endeavor होगा. Like it is bigger than hiring a celebrity, hiring a Kusha Kapila equivalent influencer, or for that matter, even hiring an A-lister celebrity.
Anyone.
Nowhere in life will you get an opportunity to tell your story for 20-30 minutes.
At this scale, at this
that
many
scale,
eyeballs.
which everybody watches, which the young TG watches.
Wow. Great, yeah. Crazy. Definitely, yeah. I think so much to learn, and great that you have been able to sustain that momentum as well. There are a few questions before we move to the last rapid fire.
Yeah.
Okay. So when you started and today where you are, and how do you see where obviously आपने marketing में बताया, you see more in terms of content and cracking content, but as a brand overall, where do you see your brand going in the next few years? What's your vision? I know कि वो pivot हो जाता है, changes होते हैं, but what's your vision for next 2-3 years? Maybe not 5 years if at all.
Yeah, we want to become the brand which guides our consumers on everything beauty.
Okay.
सुंदर दिखने के बहुत सारे तरीके हैं. We are today only enabling one of those, which is the services or the treatments, and that also non-invasive services, right?
Right.
We are not telling consumers which are the products they're supposed to use. We are not telling the consumers what is the diet they should take. We are not telling the consumers how much water should they drink. We are not telling the consumers कौन से supplements किसको खाने की ज़रूरत है. We are not telling the consumer we कौन से तरह का makeup आप use करो. अगर we are not into invasive treatments like Botox, fillers, hair transplant, which are also very, very mainstream in the West.
Right.
So we want to lead the wave of beauty in the country and own that space end to end.
Got it.
So that's the vision, and a lot of work is happening. So a lot of work is happening in stealth. A lot of work we keep talking about. So
Yeah.
that's the vision for next 5 years.
Wow. Great. Yeah. Crazy. And I would love to obviously follow your journey even more after knowing it. It's such a, I think it's a real problem that you are solving, right? क्योंकि लोग बाहर से देख के लग सकता है कि यार ये कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है उस सेंस में, बट व्हेन आई हैव स्पोकन टू यू आई अंडरस्टैंड कि कितनी बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है, राइट? ऑब्वियसली एक इंसाइट होती है कि एवरीवन वांट्स टू लुक ब्यूटीफुल एंड, बट जिस लेवल से जिस तरीके से आप सॉल्व कर रहे हो, वेदर इट्स ट्रस्ट, रिजल्ट्स, कन्वीनियंस, I think these are very good lessons for anyone building brands, especially in the consumer space. क्योंकि आप whether it's a product जो आप डाल रहे हो या अपनी स्किन पे, अपनी बॉडी के लिए कुछ भी करा रहे हो, I think it's very important for you to be transparent about it. And I think these are great lessons any brand builder or a marketer can learn. कि this is how brands like these can be marketed, especially if they're based on human psyche. It's not, ये सरफेस लेवल प्रॉब्लम नहीं है जो दिखती है दूर से कि यार ये तो सुंदर करने के लिए कर रहा है. नो नो नो, दिस हैज सच अ डीपर मीनिंग एंड आइडेंटिफाइंग दोस कस्टमर पेन पॉइंट्स एंड सॉल्विंग फॉर देम, नॉट जस्ट कि इमोशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बट बिजनेस एंड वेरी मार्केटिंग पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से भी. these are the things customers want, and this is the kind of knowledge should be given so that you can earn those trust and build on that, right?
Yeah.
So great lessons. I think that's something I hope people can learn and implement in their businesses as well. So finally, rapid fire, fast
Okay.
questions. I hope if you want you can have more caffeine, so और energy के साथ.
I'll do that. I'll take a sip.
I hope so. ठीक है. So I'll start with I think this is you can who's your favorite shark and why?
Aman.
Okay.
For the kind of business that he's built in a very crowded market with little product differentiation, I think he's a marketing guru.
Yeah.
Actually, I have two. I also like Dipinder a lot,
Right.
who's the founder of Zomato.
Yeah.
Uh,
Wow, great. I don't know, but least favorite shark and why, if you can answer.
Piyush.
Okay.
I think he schooled me unnecessarily. I think कुछ word पकड़ के उनको अपने को great दिखाना था, तो वो कर दिया. But I think Lenskart is doing its IPO, so I should not comment on him. I think he's doing very well as a business person. Like for me, if I have to pick like the lowest in priority, I think it'll be him.
Yeah. Okay. One person you wish had been on your episode as a shark.
DP.
DP? Yeah, okay. Yeah. Probably it would have been fun, but yeah. What's the one Shark Tank comment or reaction you still think about? Anything that stayed with you?
I think the auntie reference that I made then. Now उसके पहले तो auntie word तो मेरे जबान पे होता था. I would ask my friends, hey auntie इधर सुनो, beauty auntie आपका कितना हो गया है. It was my way, but उसके बाद से I'm so dreadful of that word. I have almost stopped. Like for my aunties also, I like almost मैं बोलती ही नहीं हूँ कुछ ऐसे कि अच्छा आप ये लेंगे क्या. So
Yeah.
that has kind of stayed with me.
Stayed with you.
Yeah.
Best internal nickname that your team has given you or someone close to you has given you?
Mummy. I think I know a lot of them calls me mummy बुला रही हैं ऊपर चलो. So my room is upstairs. We are a 2-floor thing. बाकी तो इन लोग मेरे को बताते नहीं है क्या बोलते हैं, but this is one that I know.
Wow, great. It's a tough choice, but any one team member you would never want to run this business without?
Rajiv, our first employee. I think the way our business has evolved, या जो कल्चर ऑफ हसल बना है हमारे यहाँ की, कुछ भी हो सकता है. There's nothing that is not possible. I think it's him, like one person I would never want to part with.
Yeah. Any one transformation story from a customer that probably gave you goosebumps कि wow, the impact क्या create किया हमने? Any one you remember?
Yeah, of course. Like जब हमने start just किया था, so we got an inquiry from Meerut, and there was this girl. I won't name her, but she was shaving every day. मतलब उनके facial hair इतने ज़्यादा थे कि वो daily shave करती थी. मतलब वो overnight उनके बाल आ जाते थे. Very severe case of PCOS. And वो shave कर करके वो almost जैसे male beard होता है ना कि shave भी कर लिया तो beard दिखती है, वैसा केस हो गया था. And then she had become so underconfident, and you know how colleges are, right? मतलब वो लड़कों नाम भी रख देंगे, अंकल रख देंगे, मूछ वाली रख देंगे, कुछ भी रख देंगे. And then उनकी मदर ने बोला कि बेटा I'll pay double, but my daughter has stopped stepping out of home. आप प्लीज इनका घर पे आके कर दो hair removal, अगर ये ठीक हो सकता है तो. And then 7-8 sessions she was like, her mom is, because also she was like one of our first consumers, is like हम लोग हर कुछ भी अवतार का अपडेट होता है तो her mom sends me a WhatsApp कि बेटा आपका ये देखा, so good to see, so nice to see. So that was one big thing that
genuinely
stayed
goosebumps
with,
are
like,
really
amazing.
Any one skincare myth you'd love to eliminate forever?
That you cannot brighten your skin tone by 4-5 shades. It's not possible. People should not gun for it, and there's no merit. मतलब दीपिका पादुकोण कितनी सुंदर दिखती हैं, वो तो ऐसी गोरी नहीं है.
Yeah.
So
right.
Nothing in the world can do that.
Yeah, you're fair. Maybe the funniest DMs or weirdest DM you received as a founder. Anything?
Funniest DMs. I get a lot of this, कि आपके therapist, I had booked an appointment for 2 p.m. and it's 2:30, your therapist has still not arrived. And मेरे को LinkedIn में कभी भी दिखता है, and I'm like, okay, now the consumers are expecting an answer on this, because now we have like 25,000 people. So, but anyway, I still respond whenever I get a chance to.
Yeah, I think that's the side effect of personal brand, because people think यही चला रहा है business. Yeah. Cool. Any business mistake that you think कि now makes a great story, लेकिन उस टाइम तो यार लगा था. Any business mistake that you thought कि यार ये गलती हो गई, लेकिन अब अच्छी story है. Something.
अच्छी story तो नहीं है. I think when people ask me what would you change the way, I think I started to invest in a well qualified team much later than I should have. Like मैंने for 1 full year the business was run by interns. Now it had its merit in terms of कि
starting
hustle था, ये था वो था, but I think मैंने बहुत time तक one man show चलाया है. If I would have hired like better people faster, we would have been like 2x of what we are today.
Great learning. Yeah. अच्छा तीनों कट ही कर दिया था क्या सारा? अच्छा ओके ठीक है. तो we are just continuing the any bucket list city that you want to open a new clinic in?
Lucknow, Raipur and Jaipur.
अच्छा तीन.
These are the 3 cities which we will get into very soon.
Very soon. So चल रहा है वहाँ planning सारा.
Yes.
Cool. A habit you picked up as a founder that your pre-founder self would laugh at. कि before being a founder आपने सोचा था कि यार ये नहीं करूँगा या करूँगी कभी, लेकिन अब वो आपको आ गई है habit and you'll be like यार ये.
So I've become a phone addict since the time I've become a founder. पहले so I was a very laptop person, and laptop और मैं अभी बहुत कम होता है. I would open my laptop once a day. Everything is on phone, WhatsApp, LinkedIn. Right. It's mostly WhatsApp.
So you are completely active on WhatsApp.
I am fully like सुबह से लेके रात तक मतलब phone से ही चिपकी रहती हूँ मैं.
Very nice.
which was not me earlier. but now I've become that.
Yeah, happens. I think happens to. अब तो वैसे सभी एडिक्ट हो गए हैं, but yeah, I
No,
think.
but for me, it's a lot of phone work. I'm not like checking out reels on phone. I'm
हाँ,
always on
वो works,
WhatsApp.
WhatsApp.
बस group. वो
Yeah, true. Uh, और entire in this journey, that one moment you felt deeply proud कि यार ये बहुत अच्छा वो हुआ, proud, and you still do कि यार ये बहुत special moment.
I think when we achieved our 50 lakhs in monthly revenue, it was July of 2023. हमारे लिए 50 लाख एक बहुत बड़ा milestone था. And then when we achieved that, gave me some sense of कि अगर हम एक शहर से 7 महीने में महीने का 50 लाख अचीव कर सकते हैं, then this business has potential to become very big.
Bigger. Wow. Yeah. And any dream celebrity you'd like to have as your brand ambassador? Any dream, कुछ भी जो free में आ जाए.
Any of the so I like Deepika Padukone, Katrina Kaif, Sara Ali Khan, Alia Bhatt, all of them, Janhvi Kapoor.
Yeah, but one एक dream कि यार ये.
I think Janhvi Kapoor, because she's very very vocal about the treatments that she takes. She does not hide behind कि ये तो मेरा natural है, ये तो मेरा वो है. वो बताती हैं कि मैंने ये कराया है क्योंकि मेरा मन था, मुझे ऐसा अच्छा लगता है. So we
Yeah, I
want
think
that
that-
celebrity to be the face of our brand.
Yes, Janhvi Kapoor. I don't know. In case you ever are listening, we'll send this to you. Cool. And any entrepreneur, one entrepreneur that inspires you the most?
There are many. I think Dipinder a lot because the way because I'm also running an operational business. See, एक platform बनाना या एक product बना के उसे online बेचना is still relatively easier than running a business which involves so many people spread across so many places, which is so operational in nature. I think Zomato has really cracked it so well.
Yeah.
And become such a big brand, and now they're doing so much more. So that is one founder who I really admire.
Yeah, fair. And lastly, in case if you have any question for me, you can ask.
Got it. So आप मुझे बताओ, since you do a lot of marketing content, अभी सबसे ज़्यादा trending content किस तरह का है? Like what should consumer brands focus on when they like the type of content when they're thinking about marketing?
I think much of what you guys are doing, I think that playbook is good for brands to start with. Because जैसे I said कि product marketing fit is very important, and that begins with understanding of who your customer is and वो किस तरह का content देखना पसंद करते हैं, right? So when brands, so I never recommend कि आप सीधा ट्रेंड्स पे चले जाओ कि यार पीपल सी यूजीसी रील्स चल रही है, यूजीसी शुरू कर दो कंटेंट, यूजर जनरेटेड बनाना. Is it actually relevant for you? Suppose if you want to position your brand as a luxury brand, right? And you say कि हम तो UGC बनवाएंगे. Is it that relevant for you? Or maybe getting premium influencers would be better for you, right? So understanding of कि यार ये customer को अगर हमें बेचना है, ये कंटेंट उन्हें समझ आएगा, ये भाषा में समझ आएगा, ये अगर जेन जी है तो दे वुड प्रेफर यंगर पीपल विद मे बी म्यूजिक एंड एवरीथिंग, समथिंग लाइक दैट, राइट? लाइक लिटिल मॉडर्न काइंड ऑफ थिंग. सो अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ कस्टमर कि उसको किस तरह का, एक होता है उसके कस्टमर नीड्स आपके प्रोडक्ट में कि अगर मैं ये रेड बुल बेच रहा हूँ तो दैट कस्टमर व्हाई विल दे ड्रिंक रेड बुल, क्योंकि उनको अच्छा टेस्ट लगता है, ये तो एक प्रॉब्लम है. बट उसको कंटेंट क्या पसंद है आपके ब्रांड की मेमोरी के लिए? दे लाइक एडवेंचर, they like experience. That's why Red Bull doesn't sell their product in terms of कि आप ये बहुत tasty है, ये ले लो. They sell an experience, एक feeling. So that attaching that feeling through your content कि यार ये मेरे customer को ये content होके ये feel होगा, उसके basis पे you should devise your strategy, influencer हो कुछ भी हो. That understanding of is very important कि यार ये चल रहा है, ये कर लेते हैं. It's लॉन्ग टर्म में, या आप देखोगे मे बी शॉर्ट टर्म में हल्का स्पाइक आ भी जाए, बट इट्स अ वेरी शॉर्ट टर्म थिंग. आपका ब्रांड, क्योंकि इतने ब्रांड्स हैं, इतना टेंशन है, सो हाउ विल यू क्रिएट दैट रिकॉल? द ओनली वे इज कि आप उनको एक फीलिंग दे दो अपने कंटेंट से दैट दे वुड लव टू सी. राइट? तो अब उसको स्केल कर सकते हो अक्रॉस लॉन्ग फॉर्म, शॉर्ट फॉर्म, एवरीथिंग, राइट? एंड आई थिंक मच ऑफ यू व्हाट यू आर डूइंग विच इज ट्रांसपेरेंसी, यू एज अ पर्सन इज अ वेरी ट्रांसपेरेंट, ऑनेस्ट कि यार ये चीज़ है, ये मेरे को पसंद है, ये है. That same feeling in your brand is there because that should carry always. So something like that I believe कि एटलीस्ट मैं जितने स्टार्टअप फाउंडर से बात करता हूँ, दे आर ऑलवेज क्या चल रहा है मार्केट में, ठीक है देखो, ऑलवेज हैव अ आई ऑन इट, बट figure out what your customer wants and that unique positioning. So yeah, that is something.
Perfect.
Yeah,
Thank
cool.
you.
Thank you. I think lastly one question, I think how was your experience? एक बार आप इस कैमरे में बता दो.
okay.
Yeah, how was your experience? And yeah, you can be honest.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
I think my
I
experience,
think you are already honest. मेरे को बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है.
my experience was very good. I think there are so many podcasts. I have shot a lot of those, but there was hardly any podcast where we spoke from the consumer angle, from the marketing angle, from the branding angle. It also helped me, like, while I was answering the questions that Ronit was asking me, I was also figuring out in my mind कि हाँ लेकिन ये चीज़ तो हमने मिस कर दी है. So it also encouraged me to think more than whatever the audience are consuming out of this podcast. So great experience, and please keep up the good work, and thank you for inviting me over.
Thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much.
No, thanks a lot.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you.